What's up everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you how to hand wash your cloth sneakers. The following steps will work on any cloth sneaker material such as Primeknit, Flyknit, or canvas. This method is super easy and important to know if you live in a house or apartment without access to a washing machine. Step 1. Gather your items. You will need 1 cup of room temperature water, 1 soft bristle toothbrush, some dish soap, bleach free, an optional item is Rejuvenator sneaker soap. Another optional item is a soft boar bristle brush. This will often come packaged with Rejuvenator sneaker soap. Step 2. Remove the shoelaces. Step 3. Remove the insoles. Bonus step. Move 1 shoe to the side so you have extra space to work. Step 4. Locate all of the dirty spots on the sneaker. Step 5. Equip the toothbrush and choose your soap. Step 6. Wet the toothbrush and add the soap. Step 7. Scrub. Feel free to re-wet the toothbrush and add more soap as you go along. Step 8. Wipe the shoe with a dry towel or rag to remove any excess water or soap. Step 9. Inspect and compare the clean sneaker with the dirty sneaker. It's so clean now. Step 10. Grab the other shoe and repeat steps 4 through 9. Locate the dirty spots. Equip the toothbrush and choose the soap. Wet the toothbrush and add the soap. Scrub all the dirty spots on the sneaker. Wipe the sneaker with a dry towel or rag. Step 11. So fresh and so clean. Step 12. Sit the shoes somewhere ventilated and let them air dry, or grab a fan to speed up the process. Step 13. Lace them up. This is the perfect time for a lace swap. Crucial tip, don't forget to put your insoles back in like I did. Step 14. Tie DS knots. Click the link in description or click the link in the card to see the video that I created about how to tie a DS knot. Step 15. Flex on them.